Reliability is hitting a breaking point. Observability lets us see more than ever, but the hardest part of on-call is what happens after the alert. Correlation, figuring out what changed, narrowing triage, communicating to stakeholders, and doing that fast. Let's take a look at how ARI, our new operational AI agent, can help. When you log into the InsightFinder platform, ARI automatically generates an operational summary for the last 24 hours across the systems that you own. It shows incident count, metric anomalies, log anomalies, change events, and highlights the top unhealthy systems prioritized by incident counts. In this scenario, we're logging in during an active incident. Let's ask ARI for more details. Human attention is critical during early incident triage. ARI is designed to handle the parts of incident response that are repetitive and distracting. What changed, what else is abnormal, what's correlated versus causal, and where to focus next. ARI shows overview details of current incidents. ARI also displays context and key observations that include a root cause analysis chain pointing out related events. Because we asked ARI for more details, ARI walks us through how that diagnosis was formed, from triggering events to when the incident was detected, and ARI surfaces relevant anomalies to support this diagnosis. This chain of events informs the root cause analysis formed by the given indicators. In this case, the system has already taken an automated response for remediation. We can continue to drill down further. When we do, we notice ARI provides increasingly fine-grained detail that may be relevant to our investigation. We could drill into any of these specific areas, or, in this case, we decide to ask ARI to surface only charts for the most relevant anomalies. This incident was detected by issues in our logs, so the most relevant chart shows availability metrics dropping sharply, confirming the issue that we see. You could click the link to explore your chart or ask for more details. Here, we see more detail on the anomalies, impacts, and recommended next steps. In our demo scenario, remember that we just logged into an active incident. Now that we have confirmed what's happening, we should probably let our stakeholders know what's going on. Traditionally, these status reports are time-consuming and require a set of rote and repetitive tasks to generate. ARI helps speed up the process and customizes an update to include the parameters we think will be most useful. With this report generated, we can click the copy link and drop a detailed update right into our incident response channel. The report tells our stakeholders which services are affected, which users are impacted, when key events occurred, what actions have been taken so far, what the next steps are, an estimated resolution time, and when to expect the next update. In this demo, our incident is still in progress, but you can use ARI to create incident summaries that are useful after the events have occurred. Let's say you're putting together an incident retrospective, also called a post-mortem. ARI can gather all the details that you will need. It's common to get a variety of questions about incident performance and impact, even while an incident is in progress. ARI can help you quickly provide stakeholders with any relevant updates that they might need. For example, ARI can generate a comparison report. These reports can quickly show how current performance compares to historical performance. Escalations, handoffs, reporting, and communication is where incident response teams often lose vital time. Incident commanders need a clean narrative for stakeholders, and responders need an evidence trail that other humans can trust. Precise, accurate communication needs to happen quickly. ARI is built to provide reliability insights quickly, accurately, and autonomously. But what happens when an AI agent makes an error? How do you train it to understand your particular situational context? Let's look at how ARI is built to continuously learn more about your business based on real production signals. In this example, we'll ask ARI to tell us what a specific Windows error code means. In this demo, the underlying LLM that ARI uses often hallucinates what these codes mean. In a reliability workflow, a confident wrong answer is often worse than not knowing at all. ARI is connected to InsightFinder's AI reliability platform by default. Our AI observability features don't just log conversations, they evaluate results. In this case, the previous response to providing a Windows error code gets flagged because it is a hallucination. We can turn this failure into training data. InsightFinder lets you automatically create that training data to generate a fine-tuned model that will no longer make the same mistake. Once the model has processed the provided training data, you'll see it appear as ready and it becomes one of the available models that ARI can use. Change ARI's settings and select your newly trained model. To verify this works, we ask the same question again. This time, we see the correct results. You can use this same approach to ensure that you always have the best and most up-to-date accurate results. Whenever your team uses ARI, data about those interactions can be used to constantly improve ARI's understanding of your particular business, its unique constraints, and the specific tasks that generalized solutions simply don't understand. ARI shrinks incident cycles by making operational context precise, structured, and instant across your workflows, from triage to escalation to learning your business. ARI is available today, and you can try InsightFinder for free. Visit InsightFinder.com for more details.